guys, it's Maxie here. Today we're going to be looking at the weirdest Lego boat I have ever built. Look at that! Now guys, this boat is divided up into 3 main pieces. The actual boat piece slash cockpit and 2 air-filled tubes that actually keep it afloat. Theoretically afloat. If you look super close, you can see that I've got Thor in there. I don't exactly know why I put Thor in there, but I just had him lying around, so I was like, oh, I'll just chuck him in there. Alright guys, now let's go see if it actually floats. With the help of my trusty boat motor. Alright guys, I hope you like my sort of strange Lego boat. Actually floated, which was pretty cool. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, and I will see you next time.